Ono musimanya ye Captain Morgan. Angambye Luzira must shine, no problem. Welcome to Entebbe. Me, I'm waiting for you. Captain Morgan, you don't need to wait for me, Captain. You have any authority, you have any power to fly in Uganda Airlines and come for me, my dear. Don't waste your time for waiting for so long, because you can wait until Lake Victoria dries, you idiot. Mbu Captain. Oba Captain wabusomera wagwa naga amaleva agakulinga agaba yekera ba Al-Shabaab. Oba Captain wabusomera wagwe naga amaleva agakulinga agaba abayekera ba Al-Shabaab gwe. Whom are you waiting, you fool? Ani golinze. Wait yobu small busalale and enjoy it with your family. In mama yingi ya pole. Don't shout for me, idiot. Luzira must shine. Ani go kanga ne Luzira goloza be mutaddeyo si bana ba abantu. Do you really think you can threaten me with Luzira? You can even build more because I don't care. Kitegeera gwe mazi. You can build more because for me I don't care. Bana yembadde nkyebase. Munansonyiwa. Badde nkyebase. Ngenzo okuzuukuka ku simu okwata ku simu yange nensangako comment eno. Okitegeera? Nensangako comment eno. Ngenzo mukuba olugalo nga yeyita Captain Morgan. Hey, you just get the military chopper and come for me, no problem. Don't wait for so long because you can wait until you die. Ojja kulinda paka ngo ofudde kubanga siri mwana wa nnyoko nti I'm going to introduce myself for you. Nkweyanjulire for you to come and take me. Don't even waste your time. You just get the helicopter, the military chopper, the Museveni's chopper, or Uganda Airlines. You have the authority. You have anything you want. You have Bank of Uganda. You can get fuel whenever you want it. Just get the chopper, military chopper, airlines. They are all yours. Just get it and come for me. Halas, it's okay and we'll rest the case. Don't even stress yourself waiting. When are you going to wait? Ogenda kulinda paka di Captain Morgan. Captain Morgan. And if, by the way, you look dirty. Captain Morgan, you look dirty. Go and just clean yourself. You look dirty. You look disgusting. Olabika bubi, you look dirty. How can you be a captain of a country and you look like a garbage collector? Banaba collecting a garbage on the streets. Just go and take care of yourself. Do you get small salary? Do you get small salary? That's why you look dirty. Idiot. Go and clean yourself and you represent that chitiibwa of captain. Ekitiibwa tekikugwanidde. Yenna amalevo sakambidde. Yenna otunula bubi. How much do you earn monthly, Captain? How much? How much do you earn, Captain Morgan? You people. Gwe genda olwane Sudan. Genda olwane Sudan. Genda olwane Salva Kiir afuka mu mpale. The way you are fighting for Museveni atambula awonyera. You are there wasting your age. You are there wasting your time. You are there wasting your young age, your generation, your children's generation. Idiot. And you are here threatening people who are trying to speak their mind, who are trying to speak about the injustice on their country. And you are here vomiting. Luzira. Who cares? Who cares, you idiot? Who cares about Luzira? Even second has given you land. Go and build the big one, the big prison there. We are ready to go there. Idiot. Whom are you threatening? Whom are you threatening? Do you really think that I care so much? I don't even care. I don't care. Okitegeera? I don't care. Luzira must shine, no problem. You are waiting. You are waiting for me as who? As who? Are you the president of Uganda? Are you the army commander? Nembwa zaabwe zogera. Now each and everyone in Uganda have the right to speak. Have the right to torture Ugandans kubanga muli mu uniform, idiot. Do you know who buy that uniform you are wearing? Do you know who buy it? Do you know who pay taxes to buy that uniform you are wearing right now, speaking rubbish? I'm a citizen, you have to respect me. I'm a citizen, you have to respect me. I'm a Ugandan, I'm a taxpayer's money. If you don't know your job is to protect me, just quit the arm and go home or remember. Ochitegera. Don't threaten people. You are there to protect Ugandans, not threatening them, not killing them. Not killing them. If you think that you are going to kill Ugandans on daily basis and Ugandans will give you the power to do that forever, you will never do that forever. Each and everything have their time. Buli chintu kiba n'obudde bwakyo. Ne Assad yaliwo nga alina akabinja ke bayita Tiger nga katta abasiriya buli lunaku nga teri akagambako. Nga each and everyone ali mu maje ga Assad, each and everyone ali mu kabinja ka Assad ke bayitanga Tiger, yayogeranga era yatanga abantu. Now where is them? Where is them, you idiot? Where is them? Where is them? Where is Assad's group je bayitanga Tiger? Where is them? Where? So you think that you are going to do that nonsense in Uganda forever, for the entire life of Ugandans? Hey, I pity you, you Malevu. I pity you. You PDF army, so-called SFCs, abaita ba mafia ba Museveni abatulugunya banna Uganda. I know we are in a deep state. Each and everyone ali mu government ayambadde ku kambalo asobola okutulugunya munna Uganda era osobola okumutta, which is okay. But are you going to do that forever? Just sit and think about yourself. Are you going to do that forever? Oh no. Each and everything have its time. Get that in mind. You are not going to stay there forever, for the entire life of Ugandans. Oliawo oli muka uniform kange kensasulira omusolo mbwagwe. Oliawo oyasamirya yona inote zaagalevu. Can I give you money and go to clean your face? Obanku woyo ku sente ogenda olongoosa amalevu. You look dirty. Go and clean your face. And you represent that team of captain. Are you a captain really? Goli captain obawe mu abafunira amayinja ku Nasalodi. Abatamanyi na battlefield bwefaanana wabula ne mujjano ne mutandika okubooga. Abantu abali mu kulwana, Uganda has lost 500 UPDF officers in Sudan, and you are here vomiting bogus. You are here vomiting bogus. Your brothers and sisters are dying in Sudan because of the useless wars mutinkula around East Africa, and you are here vomiting. You are just fighting me, a cockroach. Me, a smaller Ugandans who are helpless, talking about my country, and you are here threatening bogus. You go and threaten your mother. If you feel that you are offended so much, you just get a UPDF chopper or a Uganda Airlines. You have whatever you want, and you come for me, and you come get me and take me back to Uganda, and you put me anywhere, or in Semai, or in Luzira, or in whatever you want to do, because everything is yours. Even the country is yours. Nonsense. What kind of nonsense is this? Please be humble. That uniform is not your mother's property. It's a Ugandan's property. That uniform is not your property, my brother. Calm down, be humble. The world is going to change. Where are you going to hide yourself and your family, you idiot?